We are here north of Bodega Bay, about to do the Kortum Trail out and back hike. Let's do it. The book describes it as a gentle hike over coastal bluffs, traveling to a landlocked sea stack, blind beach, and goat rock. This trail is named for the environmentalist and veterinarian Bill Kortum, who volunteered for 30 years to protect this stretch of coast. He and others protected the region from plans to build a nuclear power plant at Bodega Bay and the closure of public access to the coast at Sea Ranch. Because of his efforts and the efforts of others, they were able to preserve this space for future generations to enjoy. You can start the hike in the middle at Shell Beach, and that saves you a little bit of distance. Coincidentally, Shell Beach is on the other side of the Pomo Canyon hike we did at the end of our Point Reyes trip last year. Similar to the Bodega Head Trail, this trail is also exposed, pretty flat, but with more grasslands covering the landscape. Further along on the trail, we saw these rock formations, which the book called Pleistocene-era sea stacks that were once underwater eons ago. I didn't catch them on camera, but there was a climber putting in work on these rocks earlier. While being flat most of the way, there is a hill towards the end offering some great views of where we'd come from and towards the end of the trail at Blind Beach. The wind was pounding us pretty bad, so instead of making it down to Blind Beach, we ended up turning around from here. We were eager to get back to the car to get out of the wind, but if we're being honest, it was more out of food motivation. Because whenever we're on this side of the bay, it's almost a given we've got to hit up soul food on the way home. We re-upped on some piques, ate our salads and mofongo in the car, then saved the rest for when we got home. While not everything went to plan for this bodega trip, we were grateful to see some nature and get outdoors for a bit. We hope you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.